How to deactivate Facebook account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to deactivate Facebook account, open the Facebook application on your device. Tap on the menu option you see on the bottom right and then tap on the gear-like icon on the top right. You will see the option for Account Center. Tap on the See More in Account Center option and then under Account Settings, tap on the Personal Details option. You will now see the option for Account Ownership and Control. Tap on that. You can manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles from here. Now go ahead and tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. You'll get two options now. You can choose to deactivate your account, which is temporary, or you can choose to delete your account, which is permanent. Tap on the Deactivate Account option and then tap on Continue again. Take note that all the pages connected to your Facebook account will be deactivated too. Tap on Continue. Now enter your Facebook password and tap on Continue again, and with this you will be able to successfully deactivate your Facebook account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.